Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Black Ops 4 Zombies Online Solo. First, launch the game and navigate to the Zombies menu. From there, select the Private Match option. This ensures you'll be playing alone without other players joining. Then, simply choose your preferred map and character to begin your solo adventure. It's a straightforward process to get started. Once you've selected your map, you can fine-tune the game settings to match your playstyle. Access the game rules to adjust elements like starting round, player health, and zombie speed. This allows for a tailored experience, whether you want an easy run or a significant challenge. Don't forget to equip helpful elixirs and talismans for an extra boost during your game. To succeed in solo zombies, focus on key strategies. Quickly open doors and activate the power to access perks and the Pack-a-Punch machine. Learning to train zombies by grouping them up is crucial for survival and efficient killing. Always aim to upgrade your weapons at the Pack-a-Punch for increased damage and special effects, making later rounds much more manageable. Finally, optimize your loadout and perk selection. Choose perks that enhance your solo survival, such as those for extra health or faster reload speeds. A powerful starting weapon and tactical equipment can make a big difference in early rounds. Remember to effectively use your specialist weapon for clearing large groups of zombies or getting out of tight situations. Good luck!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.